A stock is an asset that you can purchase which represents partial ownership of a company. When you purchase a certain company's stock, you now own a small fraction or share of that company. How small? Well, it depends on how many shares are out there. If there were only 100 shares in existence and you bought 10 of them, you would own 10% of that company. But if there were 1,000 shares in existence and you bought 10 of them, you would now own just 1% of that company. Companies sell shares in order to raise money that can be used to foster their growth and expansion. And people invest in stocks because they believe the company will grow and that their shares will become more valuable in the future. At that point, they'll be able to sell their shares to another investor and see a return on their investment. Many companies distribute a portion of their revenue to their shareholders as well in the form of dividends, which are typically paid every 3 months. If you just learned something new, go ahead and make that thumbs up button blue. And while you're at it, click that red subscribe button too. This has been a Personal Finance Minute. I'm Andrew Shear, and I'll see you next time.